Let's look at this question. Ravi Shastri wants to select a 5-member team to represent India in England. The team must have 2 bowlers and 3 batsmen. Okay. Ishant, Ashwin, Bhuvi and Jadeja are the available bowlers, whereas Rohit, Virat, Dhoni, Pant, Shikhar and Rahane are the available batsmen. Ashwin and Jadeja are spinners, whereas the other 2 are pacers. Okay. So within bowlers, we have a further classification. We have spinners and we have pacers. Within batsmen, there is no such distinction. So spinners are Ashwin and Jadeja, and pacers are Ishant and Bhuvi, and batsmen are Rohit, Virat, Dhoni, Pant, Shikhar and Rahane. Okay. Now, Ravi Shastri insists on having 1 spinner and 1 pacer in the team. So 1 spinner and 1 pacer, and then 3 batsmen. Okay. Ishant has a feud with Jadeja. So Ishant cannot come with Jadeja, thus they cannot play together. Same is the case with Bhuvi and Ashwin. Which means for the bowlers, you can select your team in 2 ways. Either you will have Ashwin and Ishant, Ash and Ish, or you will have Jadeja and Bhuvi. You can select your bowlers in only 2 ways. Okay. Rahane and Shikhar must be selected together. Rahane and Shikhar, these 2 will only come together. They cannot be selected in. You cannot select only Shikhar and leave out Rahane, or you cannot select Rahane and leave out Shikhar. Rohit cannot play with either Virat or Dhoni. Rohit cannot play with either Virat or Dhoni. So Rohit, if I take Rohit in the team, I cannot take Virat, I cannot take Dhoni. Now, if I take Pant, I cannot select one out of Shikhar or Rahane. So if Rohit is selected, it means Shikhar and Rahane have to be there. If I select Rohit, Shikhar and Rahane are automatically selected. This is done. Next, let's say Rohit is not included. And Shikhar and Rahane are included. Shikhar and Rahane are included. Then any one of the 3, Virat or Dhoni or Pant, can come. So I can have Virat, I can have Dhoni, I can have Pant. The third batsman could be anyone among them. Shikhar, Rahane, Shikhar and Rahane. So we've listed out all possible cases where Shikhar and Rahane are involved. Now let's say these 2 are also not involved. Then the 3 batsmen have to compulsorily be Virat and Dhoni and Pant. So batsmen can be selected in 5 ways. The group of batsmen that get selected can be selected in 5 ways. The bowlers can be selected in 2 ways. Let's get to individual questions. In how many possible ways can we select the team? It will be 2 into 5, 10 ways. You select your 2 bowlers in 2 ways and your 3 batsmen in 5 ways. If Rohit is selected, then which of the following player must be selected? If Rohit is selected, Shikhar and Rahane are definitely selected. So Shikhar must definitely be selected. If Dhoni is selected, then how many teams are possible? Dhoni is present in this team and Dhoni is present in this team. These 2 teams, you've got these 2 groupings of batsmen, you've got Dhoni, but along with these 2 groups of batsmen, you also can select your bowlers in 2 ways. So 2 into 2, you can have 4 teams possible for Dhoni being selected in the team. Okay. If all the possible teams are considered, then which player will be selected least number of times? Pant will be selected 4 times. Virat, Dhoni, Pant, Shikhar, Rahane, Pant, along with the bowler combination. So Pant 2 times is wrong. Rohit will be selected 3 times, is incorrect. Rohit, Shikhar, Rahane is one group of batsmen, and then bowlers can be selected in 2 ways. So Rohit is selected 2 times, so 3 times is incorrect. Virat or Dhoni? Virat gets selected here. So he gets selected 4 times. Dhoni gets selected here. Dhoni gets selected here. So 4 times. This is accurate. Rohit gets selected 2 times. Rohit Shikhar Rahane along with any combination of bowlers. Now, both of these are accurate. But the question is asking which of these players will be selected least number of times? Because Virat and Dhoni are being selected 4 times and Rohit is being selected only 2 times. The answer has to be option D. And last question, in how many different teams can Pant and Rohit be together? If Rohit is involved, Pant can't be involved. So in how many different teams can Rohit and Pant be together? The answer is 0. And that is the entirety of this question. Very, very straightforward question. Just that once you list out the exhaustive number of cases right at the beginning, everything will fall into place. That is all for this set.